Hey guys, this is your girl, Miss Alice, and I am on the Amtrak Texas Eagle heading to Chicago. I'm in my first roommate, so I'm going to give you guys a quick tour. As you can see here, we got the two seats right here. Really nice. Both of them have pillows, so you can have a nice little room, nice view of everything. Okay. And we have like different buttons. We have like night lights, and you can call your attendant when you want your bed down and stuff. So it's only me, so I don't have to worry about really putting the bed down, just the bed together for myself. And they have, like if somebody else was here, they could use the little steps where my bag is at. So I'm just using my bag here for right now. Excuse me, guys. And they have a nice little mirror right here, so you want to get fixed up in the morning. So, you could do that. I will get to Chicago tomorrow afternoon. They got like a little hook thing here too. And I'm trying to also charge my phone, so I've left my charger right there. This one has a hook. Oh, these are the closets right here too. Just noticed. A little hook thing for if you want to hang up your jacket, like a long purse. They really have a really tiny closet. Really tiny. Oh, we got some bath towels in there. Alright, got little hangers for your jackets. So, gotta be careful. They give you some water. You got your little desk thing right here, or a little board that pops out. Let me go ahead and put it down for us real quick. And it's like an old, like an old checkerboard, so you could eat in your room if you wanted to. You could do some work while you're on the train. They give you a menu. And here's some of the, it has the flexible dining, so at least I'll be trying this time, and then next time I ride one of the trains going more west. A lot of them out west have the traditional dining as well. So for tonight, I figure I'm gonna try the salmon. I really wanted to try the steak, but they don't have the steak on this train. So I'm gonna try the next best thing, which is salmon. With some barbecue sauce, broccoli, lemongrass scented rice, shiitake, mushrooms, carrots, peppers, and scallions. And then you get free drinks while you're in your meal. You get a complimentary alcoholic beverage, only with dinner. And then also you could buy for purchase as well. And then you also have your breakfast items. So we'll be having breakfast as well tomorrow, and we'll also be having lunch. So I figured, since there's a lot of good ones on here, I was gonna try the salmon, and then maybe do the plant-based meatballs tomorrow. Because I'm trying to do like a lot more healthier stuff, and anything with a lot of more protein is really good for you. And then the breakfast, I was kind of not sure what this was, so I looked it up and it looks okay, but just want something a little bit more filling. And here I like eggs. I don't really like a lot of cheese, but I'll eat it. And this one comes with the roasted potatoes, and I don't do sausage, so I'm going to see if I can get this without sausage tomorrow. But if not, I just want to eat the sausage, or I'll give it away. And then they also have the first one is the selection of the breakfast sandwich, muffin, yogurt, oatmeal, and cold cereal. So that was my other option to do, because that'll keep me full for a while as well. And then have lunch, and then by that time I'll be ready to go to Chicago. And then I have a transfer to go to Tampa, which will take 2 days. So we got like a 5-hour layover in Chicago. And I've been saying I wanted to try their, move this so I have some room, their deep dish pizza. So, we'll see what God does with that one, but we're gonna enjoy the views while we're on the train. And me and my little friend Samson here, my little friend, hi Samson, we're gonna have a good night's sleep on the train. This is our first train ride. in a sleeper car actually, and we've got a chance to see the observation car the last time we was coming to Dallas, and now we're leaving Dallas going to Chicago. Well, I hope you guys enjoy a blessed day. Thank you for watching, and as always, have a great day. God bless. Bye. Okay guys, it is evening time now. We done ate. Nice dinner. I got to sit with 3 other people, and we all had different dinners. I had the salmon. I heard the salmon was pretty good. So a lot of us just got our bed down. So right now I'm laying in the bed, getting nice and cozy. They have nice blankets, and they give you 2 pillows, and there's a sheet that's on the mattress that was up top here, but since it's just me, they put it right on my thing, on my chair, and put my 2 chairs together to make a comfortable bed, and it's really nice. And I'm gonna have me some water, and just if I needed something extra cushion, I have my own little pillow as well. And semi into my pajamas. I didn't put my shorts on, but I still have my long pants in case I gotta get up and go to the bathroom and all that kind of stuff. But I do have my bonnet on for right now, and I changed my shirt, so I just put a couple things in my bag because it's only gonna be overnight in the room, and then tomorrow we have our layover in Chicago, and hopefully I can find a place. I'm getting a couple of places where they have some good Chicago deep dish pizza. I would love to try it because my next train doesn't leave until after 6 o'clock in the evening. So probably closer to 6:30, and after I get off here, we should have lunch, so it'll be before that. So between 2 and 6, before I come on the next train, I should have something to eat. So the pizza would be a great choice because I already have snacks in my bag, and that'll take me until the next day. Because I have like crackers and fruit and raisins and stuff like that in my bag already. And then if I needed to buy anything, I could always get some coffee or something as I'm in the coast seat. But right now I'm enjoying this, and I got my little light, it's like a little flashlight behind me. The head here, the orange light, is a little night light. So I will most likely keep that on because I like to have a little night light. I think we're getting ready for a stop. We have stopped somewhere, and it might be just a little few minute break. So we've been having people getting on and off since I left. I left Dallas about 4 o'clock. We was like 20 minutes behind, but so far we're doing pretty good timing. We should be in Chicago before 2. All goes well, and then I wait for my next train, and that train will be a coach. So thank you for watching my channel, and I will keep you updated on my trip, and I'll talk to you later. Good night. Boop. Morning. This is a sneak peek of the shower area. Bench and station, put your clothes, and this is the shower. I'm gonna do it first. The shower. It's nice. You got a little seat. It's that. It's not too bad, but it would be good to bring shower shoes. Just so you know, got a little thing to hang on. It's a little rocky in here, and I have some soap and some Your girl, back again. Well, today, we are almost to Chicago. I was in a roomette coming from Dallas, Texas. So I've been in this roomette, nice little roomette, overnight. And I'm just going to give my final review of the roomette. So first, I would suggest, if you have a small fan, bring a small fan with you. It was a little warm in here, even though they had a little dial thing for the temperature. It was kind of cool 1 minute and then hot the next, cool 1 minute, hot next. And sometimes if you leave your door open a little bit, you may get some draft in, but you want to leave it open all night. Overall, it was really nice. The meals were not bad, even though I still want to try some of that flat iron steak and French toast. They have that on the other train. I think it's more on the west side, but I will do that a little later as the Lord leads me. But for here, it was not too bad. I had the eggs this morning. I had for lunch, I had the plant-based meatballs. Let me tell you, them meatballs were delicious, and I had a lot of rice with some cashew peanuts in there, so if you like that. It was so filling. I'm still literally, I ate about an hour ago. They had an early lunch, and my stomach is still digesting, so I'm pretty full. And if you're vegan and plant-based and all that, that would definitely be a good meal for you. Last night I had the salmon, because right now my body's in a healing process, and I'm supposed to eat a lot of omega-3 fish, salmon, greens, all that kind of good stuff. So I had the salmon with a little barbecue sauce on it, whatever else came with it. It was really good as well. You do get unlimited drinks, coffee, tea. You can have orange juice for breakfast or any time of day. With your dinner only, you do get a free alcoholic beverage, and it's only one. After that, you got to purchase it. And of course, you could always purchase stuff from the cafe car. Now, I did bring some snacks because this was a last minute trip, and it worked out for me because I also was looking online and the price dropped. So I was like, oh my gosh, let me grab this. And I was gonna do half the trip and then the rest of the half and another roomette, thinking that was gonna save money, but I was like, oh, I don't think that's gonna work out. So I just go ahead and pay for the roomette, for the partial of the trip, and then do the rest of the trip in coach. And it wasn't a bad price at all. So I thank God he gave me favor with that, because these little roomettes can be a little money. But next time maybe I'd like to try a little bedroom. Maybe when my kids or somebody like that can come. My kids are grown, so you never know. Maybe later on, gotta open that door and we'll experience that. And anyways, I had some great views here. Met some great people on the train too. Because when you go to eat in the dining car, when you're single, you do get to sit with other people, so you can make conversations with them. Some of them was more receptive than others. Of course, you'll find that out as you go along. I know last night we had a whole group of us really got in some good conversations, so I really enjoyed that. It helped open me up as well. But overall, I enjoyed my experience on the Amtrak. Shout out to Amtrak too. They did an amazing job. I kept hearing the announcements, and the people in the cafe car doing a great job on the announcements. One of the ladies, she was real thorough and real enthusiastic in her announcement. I said choo choo. And make it sound fun, like she really enjoyed her job. So shout out to Amtrak, and thank you very much for having me on your train. I only woke up a couple times to go to the bathroom during the night, and the bathroom here is like literally right down the hall. Oh, and this morning I took a shower downstairs. I only had to wait a little bit because a couple of other people were taking a shower, but the shower was absolutely amazing. They give you a wash rag and stuff here, a little bar of soap, you know, some halfway decent Dial soap. Dial's not bad brand, and the shower was good. It was had one of those movable shower heads. Kind of moved around. You had a little bench thing for people like me that are older. If you just want to sit down and relax and take a shower. So the water was amazing. It was nice and hot, nice good shower. So I feel good for the rest of the trip until I get to Tampa. And then of course if I need to wash up later, I can always do that on my own. But yeah, definitely appreciated the shower. Okay. And just everything on here was really good. I appreciated the great service, the people coming. One lady came and did my bed last night, and just not too long ago fixed my bed back, and we're almost getting ready to get off to Chicago. So I was able to sit up in the bed even after lunch, which was just like real chill. So shout out to her as well. Yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know. I would definitely recommend if you ever get a chance to go on a train ride, never been on a train before, and just want to try it out. You can do that. You can even get the rail pass. The rail pass will give you like 10 segments that you can do. You can go across country and try all the different train routes. Now my next train is one of the newer trains too. It's called the Floridian. And that's going to be going all the way towards down south in Florida. So I'm looking forward to that one as well. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. As always.